Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Amy Lei. Nice to see you again. I'm one of the homely stock trainers, and this video is the 26th video of my channel, Amy Stock Analysis Daily, and the topic is the price down after buy and up after sell, second part. Okay, so yesterday we have mentioned a very common phenomenon or a very big problem for many investors, which is every time we buy, the price drop, and every time we sell, the price rise. So as if we have been monitored, right? So why is that? We have to ask why. What's the reason behind? So last session I shared with you the first reason, because many people, they just trade, buy and sell based on the news and tips, and last session we have discussed it's not so reliable, right? In the end, it turned out to be greater losses you have to incur if you just trade based on the news and tips. Okay, and then today I'm going to share with you the second reason why every time I buy, the price just drop, and I sell, the price go up. So the second reason is the gain backfired. Okay, so many people, they know that for stock investment, it's not that simple to make money. So they have begun to learn something about technical or about fundamental. Okay, so for those who have learned learned technical analysis, maybe they have realized that you need to check some trend indicators, let's say moving average, right? So moving average, MA, is the most common, most popular trend indicator. Okay, so I need to check moving average, and maybe I check some other indicators like KDJ, RSI, MACD, right? So then maybe I will get a higher success rate. Okay, so they know that, they realize that they cannot just go to the battle bare-handed. They need some gun, they need some weapon. Okay, so they manage to guide themselves again. Okay, so the gun is, let's say, the moving average and KDJ, and they have done some research, and they realize that after the price above the, let's say this is the 10 days moving average, right? So they have studied, they realized that 10 days moving average maybe is quite useful for short-term trading, short-term to medium-term. And let's say for DBS, they have monitored, wow, moving average, it works for DBS. Let's say when the price above the 10 days moving average here, and maybe they have checked the KDJ, they realize that they have learned how KDJ works, and they have learned the golden cross and the dead cross of KDJ, right? And also they have learned the overbought area and oversold area based on KDJ. So at this moment, KDJ show you oversold because already below 20, and this is a golden cross. After that, the price above the 10 days moving average. So this is a good entry point. So they buy. And then when the price drop below the 10 days moving average, and we have a dead cross at the oversold area, 80, already reached 80, right? So this is a very good oversold sell point, overbought sell point. So I buy and sell. At least I can make some profit here, right? I can make some profit. And here, this is a false breakthrough. I buy and I sell. This time I'm wrong. And then here, buy again at the golden cross, and then the price still above the 10 days moving average, right? And then this time maybe buy and sell again based on the dead cross. So these two times I didn't make profit, but I didn't lose much. So this time I make some money, and then this time I still can buy here at the golden cross, and then keep holding and then sell at a when we have the dead cross, then the price drop below the 10 days moving average, I sell, buy and sell. I still can make some profit, right? So roughly speaking, KDJ, the combination of KDJ and 10 days moving average, the success rate is okay. Maybe not that big, but still okay. Can manage to make some profit, and then sometimes I can break even, right? So it's still okay, and I can avoid losing a big amount of money. So it's okay, right? So that's the conclusion. Okay, so they have learned the power of the GAN, some weapons they use, let's say the 10 days moving average and KDJ. But then when we enter the recent, when we checking the recent performance for DBS, so this is after the big crash in February. So this is around March, April, and yeah, this is around March and April. Okay, so when we at the end of March, okay, at the end of March, I believe here we have the price above the 10 days moving average again, and before that we also have the golden cross based on the KDJ. Okay, so oversold already, and price above we buy, but after we buy, price drop, right? So this is what we have talked about. After we buy, the price drop. Okay, so here below the 10 days moving average and also dead cross means we need to sell, right? Based on this combination, we buy, then price drop, we sell. After we sell, the price go up, right? So the price go up. So this is what we talk about. We buy, the price drop. We sell, the price go up. And then here we have another golden cross here. So maybe at the B point you try to buy again, but then after that we have to sell again based on the dead cross and the price below the 10 days moving average. So we sell, but after we sell again, the price begin to go up another time, and then we buy again here at the golden cross. Then no profit, the price it just keeps that way, they drop a bit, no profit, and then we have to sell again based on the dead cross and the price below the 10 days moving average. After that, after trying for several times, we every time failed, right? So then you are frustrated and you totally lost. You begin to doubt, does it really work? The 10 days moving average and the KDJ, this combination, does it work? When you are doubting, you are wondering whether or not you should stick to this combination. Then the last time we have another golden cross and the price also above the 10 days moving average suddenly give you a relatively big rally. After you realize that this is a good entry point, the price already around here at a very high position, so you miss the chance. Then you're totally lost. Okay, so the conclusion, you're totally lost. So it's something like, wow, the GAN, it doesn't work, it backfired. So this time, the first time I shoot at the A point, backfired, failed. Again, still backfired. Again, backfired. Again, backfired. So this GAN, it backfired for too many times. It doesn't work. Okay, so why? Why it backfired for so many times? Okay, tell you the reason. Okay, so if you are trading stocks in the bullish market, it's like hunting a rabbit or a deer. Means it's relatively speaking, it's easy. It's easier and it's less dangerous. Rabbits and deers, they are not very fierce animals, so you hunt them, then it's relatively speaking, quite safe, right? So this is you trade stocks in the bullish market. So what if you want to trade stocks in the volatile market or the bearish market? So if you are trading stocks in such kind of markets, volatile markets or bearish, then it's like hunting a bear. Okay, so if you use again to hunt a rabbit or to hunt a bear, a deer, okay, so maybe still can cope, you still can manage. But if you want to hunt a bear just with a gun, so it will be extremely dangerous and it will be a very tricky task to complete, to achieve, right? So means what? If you are still using the gun, other people they're always using a tank. So means the gun no longer suitable for volatile markets or bearish markets. And we need to know that the bullish market, it cannot last forever. We have to deal with the bearish market and also the volatile market. So do you know when the bearish market would end? Do you know when the bottom, the big bottom would come? So if you don't know, then you totally would miss the opportunity. At the bottom, when the market already at a very high position, then you dare not buy because it's already too high. It's already too high. You have missed the opportunity, the best entry point, then you miss the safest entry point, the golden entry point. So you cannot make a very big profit in the market, right? So means what? The gun is outdated already. People, they are using much more powerful weapons like a tank. Okay, so what is a tank? Let's say for the same share, DBS, right? So for DBS, for our homely platform, what indicators do we use to catch the opportunity for DBS this round? This indicator. Can you see in the chart we have these two candles colored as blue, this one candle colored as yellow, right? So this indicator is called Tai Chi signal. Tai Chi signal, this is a very powerful weapon for bottom catch and top escape. And this kind of bottom catch and top escape usually means the significant bottom and significant top. Means what? Medium-term rally, medium-term rebound, medium-term to long-term rally, or medium-term to long-term correction. So the blue candle, blue Tai Chi, is to catch the medium-term to long-term bottom, and the yellow Tai Chi signal is to catch the medium-term to long-term top. Okay, so you can see very clearly at the bottom area. Just now we were checking the moving average and KDJ. We realized that the combination doesn't work very well. You keep buy and sell all the time, and every time you buy, the price drop, you sell, the price go up. So it doesn't work. It backfired. It backfire all the time, right? Doesn't work. Okay, then for our homely Tai Chi signal, you see at the bottom, you have the blue signal, right? So once you have the blue Tai Chi signal, the buy point is if the price can stand above the high of blue, you can buy. So let's say this is the candle, the price above, you buy. And then although it dropped first, still we see the price get support at the high, around the high price or the close price of this blue Tai Chi signal. Okay, if you see the price get support, then go up again, you can buy again. If you don't want to take risk, you buy here, you see the price drop, you can sell first. But when you see the price get support at the blue Tai Chi signal, the signal hold up, the support here hold up, you can buy again. After you buy again, give you a small rally, then another correction, right? So, but you see the correction, it gets support around the blue Tai Chi signal again, means you can buy again. So you buy and you buy. So you never sell. Why you never sell? Because you know the blue Tai Chi is the bottom catch signal. As long as the price didn't drop below the low price of the signal, means the signal is the successful one. So means very high probability. This is a big bottom. This is a big bottom. Although we have some consolidations or fluctuations here, so you have confidence because the price never dropped below the low of the blue Tai Chi signal. Not even the half of the blue Tai Chi, right? So means it's quite strong. We have very strong confidence in it. So that's why you can buy here and buy here again by checking the signal. But you check moving average, you check KDJ, you don't know. You don't know whether or not this is the really big bottom, the significant bottom. You don't know. But Tai Chi signal tell you it is. Okay, so you buy and buy, you keep holding until the price show you a yellow Tai Chi signal. Yellow Tai Chi signal is the top escape signal. So we sell when the price drop below the low price of the yellow Tai Chi. We see the following day, the price, although a open low and close high, still below the low price of the yellow Tai Chi signal. You can either sell here the following day or the following day, especially when you see for this candle with long upper shadow and the price reach the resistance at the Tai Chi signal but unable to break up, then drop again, you are confirmed you need to sell. After you sell, you avoid the further correction lasting for more than 1 week. And then up until now, the price still below the Tai Chi, right? Because the Tai Chi signal currently is acting as very strong resistance for price. That's why we see yesterday the price a drop because the resistance at the area of the yellow Tai Chi signal is very, very strong. Okay, so this is how we can catch the opportunity with a tank rather than a gain. Okay. And then you can see some other cases. For example, Riverstone, the superstar share, right? The superstar, you still can manage to catch the bottom when you see the blue Tai Chi signal and you see this candle, the price just break up the high of the blue Tai Chi. You can buy. After that, the price keep going up all the time, holding all the time. Then here we have a yellow Tai Chi, but the price never drop below, right? Then you see in future, the price never drop below the low of this this yellow Tai Chi signal. So you don't need to sell. You don't need to sell. You only need to sell when the price drop below the low of the yellow Tai Chi, and especially if you see and again the price try to break up the resistance but failed, turn down again. That's the double confirmation. Okay, and then another thing is if you see the yellow Tai Chi but the price didn't drop below the low, rather it break up the high of the yellow Tai Chi, you know that you can add a position, or you can buy for short-term trading. Means what? If you have missed the opportunity to buy at the bottom, at the breakthrough of the blue Tai Chi signal, you can increase position when you see the price break up the high price of the yellow Tai Chi signal. Means you buy here at the bottom and then you can buy here when the price break up, and here another time we have the yellow Tai Chi but price never drop below, no need to sell, and also you can buy again for short-term trading. And then also here we have another one, but the price never really drop below the low of the yellow Tai Chi, so you know after the breakthrough you can buy again for short-term trading. So this is how we can catch the big opportunity for river stone at the very big bottom, you can catch it. This is the golden entry point. After that, you keep holding up until now, because in between from the bottom until now, the yellow Tai Chi signal appeared for several times, but never you have to sell, because the price never drop below the low of the yellow Tai Chi. So you buy and keep holding. And even if you miss the opportunity to buy at the bottom, you can buy again when you see the breakthrough of the yellow Tai Chi signal. Breakthrough of the yellow Tai Chi, breakthrough of the yellow Tai Chi. Okay, so then another case, let's say Tesla is also quite powerful. The upward momentum is also quite strong recently, right? And you see the same. At the bottom, we have the blue Tai Chi. The Tai Chi signal never fail to help you catch the big bottom, and the yellow Tai Chi never fail to help you catch the big top. Yeah, and then you see here, breakthrough and some pullback, get support at the high of the blue Tai Chi. You can increase position, or if you buy, then you have sold away first to stop loss, then you can buy again here. Okay, so the perfect buy points. Okay, after that, you keep holding until now, because the price never really dropped below the low of the yellow Tai Chi here. The following day below a bit, but the next day go back, so it means no need to sell. And then for short-term trading, when you see the price break up the high of the yellow Tai Chi again here, you can buy again for short-term. Okay, so this is how we can catch the opportunity, to do the bottom catch and to escape the top. Okay, so if your gain, it keeps backfiring all the time, so I think you can just throw it away, and it's about the time that you change it into a tank. Okay, so Homely software. This software has been keep upgrading for more than 20 years. The software has been created since 1998, when Homely company was established in Beijing, China. So it's already a software with a history of more than 20 years. After the continuous upgrading and improvement, now it's a very powerful weapon. So if you are just using some simple gains, so I think maybe you can change it into a tank, like a Homely software. Okay, so this is the second reason I shared with you why the price up every time we sell and the price down every time we buy. And tomorrow I'm going to share with you the third reason why is that. So the second reason is because your gain always keep backfiring because it's outdated, right? You need a much more powerful weapon. Okay, the third reason is because of your shaky mindset. Tomorrow I'm going to share with you the details about the third reason. Okay, so looking forward to seeing you tomorrow 8 p.m. Bye bye.